Let's start with setting goals. What will you build? Most people dive into Shopify excited, motivated, and eager to launch. But within a week or two, they hit a wall. They start exploring apps, trying out themes, uploading random products, but without a clear goal. They feel overwhelmed, scattered, and unsure if they are even making progress. They are not lazy, they are just unclear. Because if you don't know what kind of store you are building, it's hard to know what to focus on and what tools to use or what success looks like. And that is why this lesson exists. In the next few minutes, we will help you get laser focused on your Shopify store goal. And by the end, you'll have a clear idea of the kind of store you want to build, the motivation to stick with it, and a personal goal that makes every lesson in this course 10x more relevant. Clarity is not just power, it's your shortcut to success. Let's walk through 3 steps to set your Shopify goal the right way. Step 1 is pick your store type. Start by choosing which kind of store you are most interested in. A general store, a variety of unrelated products, great for testing, or a niche store focused on a specific categories, example fitness, pets, tech, or a single product store, just one main hero product with upsells, or a local business store with physical service or product plus local delivery and pickup, or maybe a print on demand store where you sell t-shirts, mugs, posters with custom designs, or a drop shipping store where reselling products via suppliers without holding stock. Pick the one that excites you most, not the one that sounds the easiest. Step 2, you define success in one sentence. You ask yourself, what success looks like for me in the next 30 to 60 days. Example goals could be I want to launch a women's fashion store with 10 products live and make my first sale. Or I want to build a one product store that's ad ready and looks premium. Or maybe I want to create a local store for my home bakery that handles online orders. Clarity removes the pressure to do everything. Now you only do what moves the needle. Step 3, you write it down and share it. Here is the magic move. Commit publicly. Go to the community or your private notes and fill this out. My Shopify store goal. I'll build a store type for audience and my goal is to launch or make X sales or get feedback within X weeks. Writing it down increases your chance of follow through by 42% and sharing it makes you accountable and motivated. In Shopify and in life, clarity beats hustle. The clearer you are about what you are building, the faster you will build it. And the more excited you will be to keep going when things get tough. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need a clear direction. So drop your goal in the community or your journal. What kind of store are you building and what does success looks like to you? And then get ready because in the next module we are going hands-on and your goal will guide every single decision that you make.